Hi dear Scorpios, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Scorpios, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. Second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. And the third thing, this is a reading from 22nd until the 31st, or you can say till the end of October, okay? So Scorpios, your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Queen of Cups. Okay. Your partner right now is going through emotional roller coaster and they're trying their best to calm down and to relax and just to love themselves. Okay. This is full of love energy. Queen of Cups is full of love, full of spiritual love, full of universal love, full of motherly love, motherly concerns. It's like it could be them that they are experiencing self-love, or it could be for someone else that they are experiencing this much here. Okay, let me clarify the Queen of Cups in their current energy. The star could be dealing with an Aquarius here, Five of Cups and the Five of Pentacles. So this person is right now trying to love themselves because they're going through some kind of healing process, because they're completely shattered, completely heartbroken, they're going through some kind of loss, they're going through some kind of betrayal. This person right now is feeling like somebody left them, and this person is not able to deal with this stress, this trauma, this loss, this losing over somebody, and somebody's walked away from them. Okay, somebody walked away from them, or they walked away from somebody. It is like right now they are right now trying to heal. Okay, and that's why this person right now is going through emotional roller coaster, and they're trying their best to calm down and relax and be mature and be practical and whatnot regarding their emotions. This person is not at all happy, Scorpio. This person is not at all happy. They are just trying to heal. They are just trying to love themselves. They are just trying to make their life good. This is what they are right now currently doing. Okay, Scorpio, let me see what's your current energy. Your current energy right now is Three of Wands. Scorpio, you are moving away from something or someone, and you are feeling like you have done everything that you could. You are moving away. And you are feeling, definitely you are feeling like you have done everything that you could. Now you are just waiting for your ships to arrive. Now you are just waiting for the results to come, okay? And the results will certainly be positive, because Three of Wands is generally a positive card, it's not negative. But you are moving away, or you are just trying to move on from something or someone, and you are just waiting for the results, waiting for the good time to come. Let me clarify the Three of Wands. You are just feeling like I've done everything that I could. Now I can't do anything. I just better just wait. Okay, you're just waiting. Let me clarify the Three of Wands. High Priestess and Six of Swords and Two of Swords. You're listening, you're tapping into your intuition, you're trying your best to listen to your intuition, and you're trying your best to move towards a calmer phase of your life or calmer future of your life. You are trying your best to make your life as positive as possible. Still, in this process, still you are feeling right now you are on some kind of crossroads. You are not able to decide which way to go. Although you are moving on, although you are healing, although you are tapping into intuition, although everything seems fine in the outer world or to the outer universe, you can say, but you are on the crossroads, still on the crossroads. You are in the process of healing. You are being extremely silent, and you are trying your best to focus on the positive rather than the negative, and you are on the crossroads, definitely. You are just waiting for something, and you are not even understanding if you want this thing or not. This is happening with you. Okay? Cool, let me see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Six of Cups. They miss you. big time. Six of cups energies here. They miss you they miss you very much. They feel like there should be a reconciliation. They miss the good old time with you. They miss how you guys used to cuddle each other, or used to love each other, or used to have good time together. This person is missing you very badly, Scorpio, and they're missing all the lost time, all the past time that you guys had, all the sweet memories that you guys had. Let me clarify the Six of Cups. Queen of Cups and Ace of Wands and Ace of Pentacles. This person definitely feels like having a brand new relationship with you, brand new connection with you, brand new start in this connection with you, passion wise as well, love wise as well, and financially as well. In every aspect, they feel like, because this person is missing you so much, they feel like they have lots of love for you. They feel like they have lots of love for you. It could be you also who is having all these feelings for them. I told you the roles can be reversed. So this person is carrying lots of love and emotions for you. They feel like there should be a brand new passionate beginning in this connection. Plus they want to offer you some kind of friendship or relationship. They feel like they should do that. Okay, they don't I will see what they want, but they feel like they should reconnect with you and restart this connection all over again, because they are not able to move on from you, because they deeply miss you. They are right now deeply missing you. They are in nostalgic state of mind, constantly thinking about you. This is definitely a past person. I don't see this is new person. Okay, let me see what this person wants from you, Scorpio. Two of Pentacles. Okay. They want you to stop juggling, might be, or might be you're having options in your life. They just want you to stop juggling and just focus on them, on this connection. This is what they want from you. I will further clarify. Might be you're having two options in your life right now. Might be you're doing something that is not, making them happy, and they want you to stop doing that. Or might be they're feeling like you're in a confusing state of mind regarding this particular connection with this person. That's why they just want you to stop and focus. Let me clarify the Two of Pentacles. Emperor could be dealing with Aries here. The Moon is here. Could be dealing with the Pisces here, and Page of Pentacles. Earth sign is also here. So they want you to take a decision and remove the negativity, toxicity, or remove the blockage in your intuition. This person is certainly feeling like right now you're confused. They want you to take a decision and stick to that, and they want you to come out of this negative state of mind, or there's a blockage in your intuition, there's a blockage in your understanding, or there's a blockage between you guys. They just want you to remove this blockage and just have a brand new start with them, you can say, or they want you to offer them some kind of friendship or communication, or to talk to them or open the gates of communication for them. So they certainly want you to stop juggling and take a decision and listen to your intuition. Don't block your intuition by creating negative thoughts. And they just want you to talk to them, reconnect with them. This is what they want from you. Okay, Scorpios, just give me a second. Okay, let me see what is coming towards you till 31st of October or end of October. Let me see. Nine of Swords in reverse. Nine of Swords in reverse. I feel like there will be a relief, certain kind of relief that is coming towards you by the 31st or by the end of October, because this is fine. Yes. There's certain kind of relief coming towards you, because Nine of Swords is in reverse. So Nine of Swords is a card of stress, anxiety, depression and all this, but you are going to get some kind of relief this month, by the end of this month. Okay, let me clarify the Nine of Wands in reverse. Nine of Swords in reverse, sorry. So Nine of Swords is basically a card of anxiety, stress, depression, not able to sleep, and some kind of insomnia conditions. Okay, this is generally mental state. This is generally a mental state. I feel like this thing is not happening, but you are creating this thing in your mind and making the things worse by overthinking. Let me clarify the Nine of Swords in reverse. Nine of Wands and the Nine of Wands and the Four of Swords. Somebody is coming towards you, but this somebody is also deeply hurt and they are also going through some kind of healing process. And I feel like most of the times there will be silence between you guys, but there will be relief, okay, mental relief. Yeah, okay, I understand that this is complicated to make you understand, but yes, I'll try my best. So there's some certain kind of mental relief coming to you because somebody is coming to you. This somebody is coming to you with this energy of hurt and hurtful situation, and you can say, I feel like this person is going to fight with you because they are also very, very deeply hurt. They are still hopeful and positive that this connection will work out. Okay, they are very hurt. They are deeply hurt, and they're right now silent. Right now, silent. So they will break the silence. They will break the silence because they still feel like there is something left in this connection. There is some kind of connection between you guys. Sorry. And this person is definitely feeling like a wounded warrior, but still hopeful that everything is going to be fine. Okay, so it is going to make you feel relieved, even if it is little bit. But yes, you are going to get some kind of mental relief by this communication. Okay, Scorpio. So thank you so much for connecting. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.